Are you looking to lose weight without starving yourself? Well, you've come to the right place. Embarking on a weight loss journey doesn't mean you have to feel hungry all the time. It's about making healthier choices, not sacrifices. Stay tuned for some effective weight loss tips that focus on nourishment and balance, not deprivation. Firstly, let's focus on nutrient-dense foods. It's more about nourishing your body with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins rather than just cutting calories. The key is to replace processed foods with wholesome alternatives. Remember, it's about swapping out processed foods for whole food alternatives, not about deprivation. Now, let's talk about hydration and mindful eating. Hydrating well can help control hunger and give your metabolism a boost. So why not add some cherry juice from Traverse Bay Farms to your daily routine? It is full of great cherry taste and packed with natural antioxidants. Eating mindfully, on the other hand, can prevent overeating. So make sure to drink up and slow down at mealtimes. Next up, we have physical activity, sleep, and stress management. Regular physical activity not only burns calories, but also builds muscle, boosting your resting metabolic rate. Lack of sleep can muddle your body's hunger signals, leading to unwanted weight gain. Managing stress effectively is crucial as it can lead to emotional eating. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or journaling can help. Remember, finding balance in all areas of your life is key to sustainable weight loss. Lastly, but most importantly, listen to your body. It's about tuning into your body's cues for hunger and fullness to prevent overeating. Pause halfway through your meal to gauge your fullness levels. So before you reach for that snack, ask yourself, are you eating out of hunger or habit? Embarking on a weight loss journey should be about enhancing your health, not depriving yourself. Embrace nutrient-dense foods, practice mindful eating, and stay well hydrated. Regular physical activity, sufficient sleep, and stress management are pivotal. Listen to your body's needs and respond with kindness. Sustainable weight loss is about balance, nourishment, and making healthier choices. It's not a race, but a lifelong commitment to well-being. Remember, the journey is unique for everyone, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Here's to your health and happiness.